So I'm standing in front of Quetzalcoatlus. This is, in fact, not a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur cousin, but it's close to my heart because I'm at the University of Texas at Austin, where we have the original fossils of this pterosaur. So we know dinosaur voices would be very different from a lot of the voices we give them. Those are for effect. They're to affect us emotionally, and humans are affected emotionally by sounds that we read, that read as a large carnivore. So that is things like lions and tigers, things that we find scary. So all living dinosaurs vocalize with a super special vocal organ that is very close in position to their heart. We vocalize with a vocal organ that's at the top of our airway. And this is what all other land-dwelling vertebrates do, except birds. It means sometime in dinosaur history, you have a switch from a vocal organ that's in everybody else to a totally new vocal organ. We're working on it, but we still don't know precisely when that new vocal organ arises and what the effect is on reptile sounds in that group. So in these pterosaurs behind me, you can see that, or I can hear, that the babies have been given the voices of small baby crocodilians. A lot of my research has been trying to look at living reptiles, including birds, to get at how reptile voices are different, bringing science to estimating the voices of extinct dinosaurs.